Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to change your TikTok region. So let's begin our video. So guys, first of all, here you can see I just opened my TikTok profile and I want to change my TikTok region. So what I need to do, I just need to click on the top right corner three line menu bar icon. Here you can see I just click here and then select settings and privacy. Well, right now I just need to scroll down and I can find the option languages. So select on language. Right now you can see there have a option app language. So you just need to change your app language. Like if you are from other country, not English, if you are from other country, you just select your own country's language from here. So after select it, you can find the option preference, preferred language. Select it, and you also need to find your own language on here. You just need to select your own language, and then there have an option translate, translation language. You just need to select here your own language. So after select it, you just need to enable this option, always translate this translate post. And after doing this all, you can easily change your TikTok region, and it's showed your own country's video. So this is the way for change your TikTok region. The process is very easy and simple. I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.